How long does it take to activate a T-Mobile SIM card?
Hello there. Are you a new T-Mobile user or did you just get a new SIM card? If so, you might be wondering, how long does it take to activate a T-Mobile SIM card? You're in the right place. This video will guide you through the process and provide an estimate of how long it will take.
What is SIM card activation?
Before we get to the time factor, let's understand what activating a SIM card means. When you get a new SIM card, it's not ready to be used right away. Activation is the process that links your SIM card to your mobile network provider, in this case, T-Mobile. This enables you to make calls, send texts, and use data.
How long does it take?
Now, onto the question at hand. The activation process for T-Mobile SIM cards is usually quite quick. In most cases, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours. Remember, the actual activation time can vary based on factors like network traffic or any issues with your account.
How to activate your T-Mobile SIM card?
While we are here, let's also discuss the steps to activate your T-Mobile SIM card. 1. Insert the new SIM card into your phone. 2. Call T-Mobile customer service. You can reach them at 1-800 T-Mobile if you're in the United States. 3. Provide the necessary information. They'll need details like your SIM card number and your T-Mobile account information. 4. Follow their instructions. The customer service representative will guide you through the rest of the process. Remember, the T-Mobile staff will be able to assist you in case you face any issues during activation. So there you have it. Activating your T-Mobile SIM card is a straightforward process that usually takes between a few minutes and 24 hours. And you can do it all from the comfort of your home. If you have any more questions or need help, don't hesitate to reach out to T-Mobile's customer service. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy connecting!